In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the ElevenLabs affiliate program step by step. If you already use ElevenLabs and want to earn commissions by promoting the platform, this is a quick process that can open up a new income stream for your content, website, or audience. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account using your normal login details. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where ElevenLabs keeps your account options and settings. After the menu opens, find and click Become an Affiliate. This will take you to the affiliate area where you can start the sign up process. Next, click Sign Up for Affiliate Program. This is the button that begins your application. Now, you'll be asked to complete the application form. Take your time here and fill in all the requested details as accurately as possible. You may be asked for your website, your social media accounts, or other promotional details that show how you plan to share ElevenLabs with your audience. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, newsletter, or online community, this is the place to include it. The more clearly you explain your promotional method, the better. After you've filled everything out, review your information carefully and make sure there are no mistakes. Then go ahead and submit your application. Once submitted, the final step is simply to wait for ElevenLabs to review your request. Approval can take some time, depending on their process, so check your email and account notifications for any updates. If approved, you'll be able to access your affiliate tools and start promoting ElevenLabs through your unique links. And that's it! You've successfully signed up for the ElevenLabs affiliate program. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one.